Hi, good evening. I shall be discussing about a novel device for donor preparation in DMEC surgery. DMEC is currently the preferred technique of endothelial keratoplasty among corneal surgeons due to improved visual outcomes and the lower risk of endothelial rejection. However, transitioning to DMEC is not simple. A recent survey published in Clinical Ophthalmology in 2019 among the surgeons who had trained for DMEC surgery, 76.2% felt that donor preparation was moderate to very difficult, and that was one of the barriers for initiating DMEC surgery. The standard techniques which use the endothelial punch, which has a white base, provides a poor contrast, and because visualization is not too good, you can end up with tears in the donor DM, either horseshoe tear or radial tear, and this can result the tissue from not being used for DMEC surgery, and the rates vary between 2 to 14%. Surgeons prefer to keep the pupil dilated when stripping the Decimus membrane from the host cornea, and here the red reflex from the retroillumination is utilized to improve the visualization of the host Decimus membrane. So why not use the same principle in the donor preparation? So the novel device has basically two components. It has a base unit, which is battery operated, provides a diffuse illumination, and a sterile disposable cap, which is similar in dimensions to an endothelial punch block. Now here you can see that the illumination, the retroillumination provides a very good contrast, and you can see the donor Decimus membrane as it is being stripped off. This is very useful because if you're using a pseudophakic tissue and you have scars in the primary incision or the side port incisions where the adherence of the Decimus membrane is much stronger, you can visualize them and you can modify your stripping technique so that you don't create radial tear from those points. The marking and the 8mm punch is done, following which you can see that now you can see the peripheral rim of tissue which can easily be removed. Here also, if there are any adhesions that can be picked up early, and then you can complete the final stripping to get your 8mm donor graft. Now, during the entire process, you will see that the donor Decimus membrane has been under quite good visualization. And if there is any adverse event in the form of a horseshoe or a radial tear, it can be identified very quickly. So the advantage of this device is that it utilizes the principle of retroillumination to improve the visualization of Decimus membrane. It can provide greater protection from tissue loss. It can identify abnormal areas of adhesion, and it definitely makes it easier for surgeons to transition to DMEC who are preparing their own tissues for DMEC surgery. Thank you for a patient hearing.